guys. I'm on one of my favorite morning breakfast rides. If you've been subscribed to me for a while, you'll know it's breakfast in Homestead at my friend's restaurant called Soriano Brothers. $2.99. You get 2 eggs, bacon, Cuban toast, and café con leche. That's right, $2.99. It's incredible. But they have a lot of other good stuff too. It's not just because of that special. Let me see, when the road opens up, I'll introduce you to all the riders today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for subscribing and commenting and liking. I think that's the KTM 990. I'm not sure. Camilo, maybe you could verify that. All right, let me try to introduce you to everybody. Sort of hard to pass here. Actually, you can't pass, but maybe I can squeeze by everybody. Look at Camilo, the superstar off-roader. You don't need no training, right, Camilo? You don't need to go to BMW kindergarten or anything like that. Okay, maybe up here I could move ahead in the pack. Hey, how's it going?
Yeah?
How's everything going?
Fantastic. How about you?
Good, great.
That was a nice bag, bro.
Did you see that KTM back there?
This is a special edition.
Yeah, Special Forces, Black Ops. Okay, right here to my left we have, everybody has new names, by the way. And my friend's new name here is Casanova. Casanova. And right up here in the brand new 2017 Sea-Doo. 2017 Sea-Doo, we have DJ Fresh. DJ Fresh. I tried to trying to get by each rider here, but it's hard and it's not safe, so we'll just do it as we can. Tanqueta's birthday is coming up, so happy birthday, man. He has a Yamaha Super Tenere, but he likes it so much that he doesn't want to put any miles on it. Good idea, I guess. Okay, here we are, so I'll go ahead and show you the rest of the guys here when we park. I tried, guys, I just couldn't reach you on that one-way road.
Que se robe el show y te dice let's go, que la mata mi flow.
This is the Black Mamba right here. Black Mamba. I tried to catch up to you, but it's one-way road.
Okay, when you next time you make this sign.
Okay, gotcha. And here we have back roads only.
Huh?
Back roads only. Welcome.
How are you, my friend?
You're gonna have breakfast with us?
Not if I don't get my sticker.
Okay, I'll get you the
And
sticker.
if I don't get my sticker, you also get to pay for breakfast.
All right, sticker for sure for you.
Okay.
We have Miguel. You all right, man? You look upset.
Sleeping.
Okay. Here we have Casanova. This is the Blue Crane, by the way, and this is Casanova. And DJ Fresh. DJ Fresh had his missiles locked onto this guy But thank God he didn't fire. Look at all these beautiful bikes in this Wave Runner. So how old are you going to be, Tanqueta? How old are you? Your birthday is coming up, right? It's his birthday.
It's already.
It already passed?
Yeah, the 3rd of November.
Oh, that's right. I told you already happy birthday. But for the movie Magic, it's today, I think, right?
It's today. Woo, thank you.
Oh, hell yeah. Team Yamaha, baby, number 1. All right, so here we go. We're going to baptize Miguel's BMW GSA Extra Large. The new name is Tanqueta. Tanqueta is a Spanish name for Spanish word for like a big female tank, I guess. I'm not sure, but this is basically what this bike is, a big fat tank. So that's why it got the name Tanqueta. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Ok, oficialmente
The
bautizada
Blue Crane.
Blue Crane. Cosa que inventó fue Alberto.
It wasn't me, man. It was a group vote, I think. Okay, here we go. The Blue Crane. This has more of a meaning than just Blue Crane, but it's private. We can't really tell you why it's a Blue Crane, but just realize we didn't just pick.
I mean, and we don't know what the train is, if it's blue or the crane.
Exactly.
I get it.
I got it. All right. Now, it's up to you.
Dude, finally, es el momento en el cual puedo saber cuál es el nombre, el nickname que me bautizaron. Cover me.
That's not for you, though. That's for Daniel.
Oh, okay.
You deliver to him?
Of course.
Okay, thank you, man. I appreciate
Dude, I
it.
didn't understand this. Cover me.
Exactly.
Cover me.
But you understand this one.
Oh shit.
No.
Here we go.
Right or wrong?
Well, absolutely,
I'll
dude.
do every
Back roads only.
every
yes.
trip that we take, you say back
Well,
roads.
let's go to the back road.
Yeah.
Let's take the back road.
We always go the back road.
All right, but this is part of the color, or is that way?
No, that's share here.
Did you get that tone? Dirt tone?
Well, it's because I go in the back roads. And,
Oh,
you know,
okay,
that's the
yeah.
kind of stuff. Oh shit, también no se le va a salir. All setty, Freddy.
All right, Aussie Posse.
Ozzy Paz.
He wanted Aussie Posse, but you can't always have everything that you want.
Plus, remember, these are bikes names, not.
Exactly.
Aussie Posey.
No, better.
¿Tú tienes mi sticker?
Se lo dije en Nan.
¿Por qué se lo diste a Nan? ¿Quién te dio permiso que se lo diste a Nan?
I'm sorry, bro. Bro, you're blocking the information. Oh, there's something wrong there with that B.
Back roads.
Back roads only. Yes, baby. Sí.
¿En la casa? No cabieron todo el mundo en la moto. Mira, como hay moto, uno en Ah, ¿tú sabes qué? Para la otra voy a traer dos muchachos y aquí.
Puedes meter Gaby en el maletero delante de ti. Ok, I'm ready. Como esta gente siempre está pensando.
Si llegan más gente.
Sí, el especial, 2 huevos over easy y bacon tostado.
Igual yo, lo mismo. Y una porción de yuca.
Sí, pero mira, él quiere huevo con la salchicha entera.
No.
Vale, sí. Esto es carne Angus de Argentina. Chicken de Perú. Torta cubana. Huevo de codorniz.
Marico, pero.
¿La está haciendo dieta?
Sí,
¿Cuál es? ¿La de lagarto?
Sí, la de la
¿Comes
gordo.
poco y culiar harto?
No, la de la gordo.
¿O sabes cuál es la dieta del caballo? Paja y agua.
Alright guys, we just had a great breakfast at Soriano Brothers in Homestead. And the guys were just all talking about how lucky the three amigos are up in South Carolina. They're taking the BMW course off-road, and they're probably having a blast right now. So congrats to the three amigos, have fun, and bring back some tips. Thanks for watching, and until the next one, bye-bye.
I love bad, my problem. And yeah, I like the I got problem. I love bad, my problem. And